Hi, this is Don Brandt, and the purpose of this video today is to give you an idea of how you can use EFT. It's an amazing technique that you can use to be able to rebalance your body basically throughout the day so that you're not allowing stress to control your life. You're not allowing the tension building up on your shoulders is affecting your performance. And the majority of people learn EFT so they can use it for their own benefit. And when they're using EFT and they're not really receiving the results that they may want, they seek out an EFT practitioner, such as myself, that can see what they actually need to work on to get the results that they want to achieve. Because like all of us, it's hard sometimes to look in the mirror and actually see ourselves. But someone else looking at you has a better idea, perhaps, of identifying some core issues that may be latent, that need to be recognized. And once those are recognized and the energy within your system that's being blocked by those memories can be released, allowing you to feel great. So, I also want you to know that I can teach you how to do EFT, provide more detail than what you're going to view on my EFT channel here. But I want to ask you some questions to sort of challenge you, also how you could incorporate EFT in your life or in working with an EFT practitioner. So the first question I want to ask is, if you were a smoker and you were able to stop, how would that change your life? If you're able to say no more to certain foods and sweets, if you got rid of nagging thoughts and doubts and fears and insecurities, how would that change your life? If you could talk confidently in front of a group, if you thought more clearly, if you slept better at night, if you were more calm, less stressed, if you were able to perform better in sports, doing artwork, playing music, if your sadness or your anxiety or other negative emotions, if they just drained away, how would that affect your life? And just let me talk about stress for a moment, because that's something everybody is challenged with on a daily basis, because everybody's living a busy life, whether they be at home or at work. So let me give you an example of how tapping rebalances your body. So from the premise that when you are stressed, the adrenal glands make and release cortisol in your blood. And that cortisol increases your heart rate and increases your blood pressure. And chronic stress, that's stress that hangs on day after day, week after week, month after month. If not released quickly, it ends up creating health issues. So if you do any research this on a computer, you will quickly find that 75 to 95% of all doctor's visits are related to stress-related ailments, such as headaches, high blood pressure, heart problems, diabetes, skin conditions, asthma, arthritis, depression, and anxiety. I want to also give you a graphic picture that can show you what's happening inside your body after tapping. Anytime you're tapping, there's something invisible going on in your body, and it's redistributing the blood flowing through your body. So when your energy is rebalanced in your body and there's no blockages in your energy, everything just moves more slowly. I say slowly, and I should probably use a different word. More at ease. There's no restrictions. There's no blockages. So several years ago, I had my blood tested before I did tapping. I had my blood tested after I did tapping. And a lady looked through my blood with a dark field microscope, and this is what she discovered. So the picture on the top, that's a representation of my red and white blood cells. And notice they're all clumped together. After the tapping, about 3 minutes later, look how the red and white blood cells, they're now separated. And if you could see this all as a movie, you would see the top picture is pretty stagnant. Energy is not moving. And the bottom, if you were able to look at that as a video, all those white and blood cells are flowing in my blood, just slowly moving, and notice how they're far apart from each other. So anytime you're doing tapping, you're always providing some benefit from that process. But if you're working on specific emotions and releasing those, your whole body from the top of your head to the tip of your toes, as not only is the energy flowing better, but also, as I showed you in this picture, your blood's even flowing better. So hopefully I motivated you in such a way that you want to learn how to do EFT and/or find a use for EFT to accomplish some goal. And if you want to work with me as a practitioner, you can get some idea of how I can be of assistance to you. So take a look at subscribe to my channel, look at my email address and my webpage listed. If you want to contact me, I look forward to talking to you. Have a great day.